Hi guys, Christine here. I'm inside the game factory located inside the Great Canadian Midway, and we have a brand new game just in time for March break. It's called Lane Master. So it is bowling. It's fantastic because you don't need bowling shoes. Wear what you want, whatever, okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to have balls. You're going to throw them down the lane. You want to try to knock down as many pins as you can. The more pins you get down, the more tickets you get. If you get a strike, you're going to get the bonus, okay? So you can play alone or you can play with a partner. All right. So you don't want a gutter ball.
Right. Like that.
Like that. So Lane Master, it's inside the game factory. It's fun for all ages. The balls are very lightweight. You don't need bumpers. You don't need ramps, so it's great for everybody, and it gives you an opportunity to win a lot of tickets, which you can redeem for prizes. So come check it out this March break. For Clifton Hill, I'm Christine, cliftonhill.com.